tour. But I think we will see it again soon. If we started, as I mentioned before, we will start earlier our development program for our teams, for our players, and that's the preparation for our tryouts. So we want everyone to be ready and be familiar with the systems we've been running. So again, we always think about the future and the development of each and every player's here. That's why we wanted to start earlier. And again,
Parents, thank you so much. Parents, thank you so much for all your effort and supporting us. I know the story is not easy. Everyone's giving your time and sacrifices and with effort. We truly appreciate that, and all the team managers. I know that's the hardest job from this tour, and to our coaches, our dedicated coaches as well, and our teams, Jay, Nico, and Dave, myself, trying to do our best to get the best outcome of this tour. With all your helps and effort, we made it.
We made it successful, I think, but not fully successful because still a lot of things to improve. And thank you for all your concerns. We will try our best and do our best to make more efficient our next tour and preparation for the next one. Again, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Oh, good. We will start now to give all the photos of each team, and we will start with 12 under Stingrays. Sorry, we will start with Magpies team. Nate Lopez. And happy birthday. You turned 9 and 10. Okay, very good. Next one, James. Next one, Andre. Sean De La Cruz. Today is your birthday. 10th birthday again. Happy birthday, Sean D. DeAndre. Next one, RJ. Next one, Iverson. Allen Iverson. Raise your plate. Next one, Vicente. We will call their coach and team members. Sean, Coach David, and Justin. And Coach Billy Philippines as well. Not bad. Coach Philip, you got the certificate and team bonus. Sean. Alright, team bonus, guys, please. managers will receive honor. Thank you so much. That's our commander. Coaches, managers, you guys have one. This is 100% alcohol. So you just need to see competition. Sean and Dustin. You have 100% alcohol red wine. Alright, next one we will pull our 14 number keep silence. First one. Next. Next. You walk like a person. Like that. Next one. Jalen. Next, Sebastian. Benny. Ezekiel. Next one, Benjamin. Alex. Next one, Sean. Next one, David. And their Coach Jason. Alright, their team managers. Susan. And Michael. Michael and Susan. Thank you for all your dedication, guys.
Let's get drunk.
Take a picture, guys. Thank you, boys.
Kuya Diego.
Next one, Joshua. Ronald. Here. Next one, AJ. AJ Bill. Next one, Ian. Sebastian's not here. One more. And the team coach Michael Oswald is not here. Team manager Marianne. Is here Marianne? And Olali. Team managers. Team
Starting five, Paulo, Diego, Ian, and the point guard, Marian, and power forward, Melanie. Next one, Matt. Next one, Boy. Next one, David. Next one, Dwayne. Next one, Aaron. Next one, Ben. Yeah. And our head coach, Chas Ariel. Thank you, coach. And their team members, Irvin, Nacho, and Ivan Chong. Thank you so much, guys.
Video yun eh, video. Job Irvin, good job Ivan. Yup. Middle guys. Say Jollibee. Big basketball. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay na ba yan? Ha? May video, may camera eh. Marami na ako tingin doon. Okay na, ang dami na.
Alright, thank you so much, Steve.
Nakasumini. Hindi ko maano